This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a secondary router. We'll cover the essential steps to expand your home network, ensuring a smooth and reliable connection. First, we'll look at understanding the roles of your primary and secondary devices. Then, we'll explore the best connection methods for different needs, followed by crucial configuration settings. Finally, we'll discuss how to test your setup for optimal performance. There are two primary ways to connect a secondary router. The first is LAN to LAN, which creates one large network, ideal for extending Wi-Fi coverage. The second is LAN to WAN, establishing a separate network, useful for guest access or isolating devices. Your choice depends on whether you want devices on both routers to communicate directly or remain segmented. Always ensure your Ethernet cables are securely connected. Once connected, access your secondary router's administration page, usually via a web browser. For a LAN to LAN setup, disable its DHCP server to prevent IP conflicts. Assign the secondary router a static IP address within your primary router subnet, like 192.168.1.2. Also, change its Wi-Fi channel to avoid interference with your primary router, ensuring better signal quality. After configuration, test your network. Connect devices to both the primary and secondary routers to confirm internet access. If you encounter issues, check for IP address conflicts. Ensure each device has a unique address. Verify your Wi-Fi signal strength and coverage in different areas. If problems persist, a simple restart of both your primary and secondary routers can often resolve connectivity glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.